The Giganet Category 6 UTP 24 and 48-way patch panels exceed Category 6 component specifications and support link and channel performance in excess of 250 MHz. The panels fit industry-standard 19-inch racks and cabinets and are very simple to install. All RJ45 ports have numerical identification as well as labelling fields with a writable surface. The ports are configured in blocks of 6 to make cable management easy and feature industry-standard terminal blocks at the rear for cable termination. Colour-coded labels show the correct pair positions for both the T568A and T568B wiring schemes. Each panel is supplied with a rear cable manager for optional use when mounting the cables. To terminate a cable on the panel, first remove approximately 30 mm of the jacket and prepare the core in the same way as when terminating the UTP jack. Position the cable and sort the pairs into their correct positions for the chosen wiring scheme. In this case, the T568B scheme has been chosen. Separate the conductors of each pair just enough to be able to insert them into the appropriate wiring slots. Use the GN561002 tool to insert and trim each conductor. Repeat the process for all the other cables on the panel. Tie each bundle of 6 cables to its appropriate anchoring point using the supplied cable ties. Then strap the bundles together for a tidy appearance. As an alternative to dressing all the cables from one end of the panel, the cable bundles can be divided in two and brought to the back of the panel from both ends, as shown here. Another option is to attach the rear cable manager and use it to dress the cables directly from behind the panel. The Giganet Category 6 UTP cabling system is eligible for the Giganet 25-year system warranty. For more details of this and the full Giganet product set, visit giga-net.co.uk.